Mia, you did your thing with this one. I'm happy for it. Hey y'all, it's your girl Miss A Couple Styles, and welcome to my channel, A Couple Styles, because one just isn't enough. Here we'll talk about lifestyle, fashion, travel, and a couple styles. So if that's what you're into and you want to be all about the styles, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing on 2 items. I have something from Sephora, and then I also have something that I ordered online from the brand Glamaholic. So without further ado, let's get into these unboxing stylists. So as I'm unboxing this, let's chit chat a little bit, stylists. I've been wanting something from this brand for a while now. Well, I should say from the skincare line of this brand, as I do have the lipsticks and such. So going in, talk about that, you probably know what it is, but I just wanted to see. So Sephora had an online special where you were able to get like a mini or travel size for a lower cost. So I was like, why not? I wanted to try it out just in case, you know, I don't like it. Maybe certain things in my skin, my skin may not like it. I might have a reaction. Hopefully not with this, but I wanted to try it and see what it was. So I did order 2 of the same item because I do have daughters and they be wanting what your girl got, and your girl don't like to share. So I got them one to share. Alright, so let's get into it. You know, we got the box stuffing, got my receipt, don't need to see that. Let's place that here. And again, like I told you, I did get 2. I'm gonna make sure I'm holding them up. So it's the same thing. Let's see, can you see it? Trying to get it to focus here. So yeah, so what comes in it, and now you know, it's the Fenty Skin. Great reviews. I watched some videos on it on YouTube. Great reviews on this product, so I wanted to see what it was all about. So with this one, it only has 2. So it comes with they call it the Daily Duo. So it has a mini cleanser, and then it has the toner serum. So that's the fat water and the total cleanser. So the total cleanser remove it all. It's like taking your makeup off at the end of the night. Fat water acts as a pure refining toning serum. So again, this is what we have here. Let me see, it's a little bright. Can you see? Okay. So again, excited to try this out, see what it's all about. Let me know if you want me to come back in like 7 days and show, you know, what's it doing for me, how I'm feeling about it, what are my thoughts. But we all know that Fenty packaging is always, you know, that impeccable at all times. So the total cleanser here. Let's see. So I was trying to take the top off, but it's just a twist. Okay. Oh, it has a nice scent to it too. Very light. So yeah, it's very light. I like how it feels right now, just on my skin. And then we have the fat water. So a decent, nice trial size. Again, this is the travel size, but I feel like you can at least get what is given. Okay, again, not a real scent, very light. If you ever had that Pond's hand cream back in the day, the feel is giving me that type of feel, not the smell. That has a little bit of a more perfumey smell to it, the Pond stuff. This one is very light. So on here, the directions say for the total cleanser, which is this one, it says, the direction says, use day and night to remove makeup, dirt, and impurities. Wet skin, work into a lather, rinse, and it's only for external use. Don't try to do nothing else with it. And then the fat water, which we have here, it says, use day and night on clean skin, apply over face with fingers, and again, for external use, use both as directed. So excited to see what these do. Again, if you are interested in seeing what they do for my skin, or if I, you know, my review on it, let me know and I can come back in like 7 days and let you know what I thought of it or what it gave for me. And on to my next package. Again, I ordered from Glamaholic. This is my first purchase from her. And I'm just loving. I took it out the box already because I'll be honest, I was ready to get to this, and then I was like, you know what? You said you was gonna do an unboxing on it, so put it down. But let me tell you, I was ready to get to it. This the packaging, just the receipt alone, listen, it's giving the glamorous life. It comes, I'm not gonna show you my receipt, but it did come with like a thank you note and then a card on the inside. Lets you know all the brands that she has and how you can follow her. Love that. Again, it's giving glamorous for me. So took it out the box, was ready to wear it, but I put it back to the side. So here's all we have for the packaging, the remaining packaging I should say. So let me get into that. If you think you know what your girl got, write it in the comments. Pause this video, look, pause the video and write it in the comments. I'm ready to get into it. Listen, extra packaging, or just to keep it shaped. Okay. So again, you heard me say even with the Fenty, I like this. Got some package on there. You heard me say, yeah, girl, I love a good packaging. And then the fact that this comes with a duster. Listen, it's giving luxury. Listen, I got some contemporary maybe items that did not come with dusters, and this coming with a duster, not at that luxury price, but giving luxury, I'm all about it. Listen, your girl Mrs. Couple Styles love fashion, but I definitely love affordable fashion. So get to know me, y'all gonna see. All right, so let's get into it. Y'all can already see from here, your girl got the Glamorous Glamaholic makeup bag. Listen, do you see this? You see that soft pink? You know that mean a long time in the beginning when she be like, oh my god. That's how I feel right now with this. Oh my god, it is giving. I ain't even opened it yet, but just the outside. Listen, let's get in. Let me tell you, the site does justice with showing you the pictures of what it looks like, but the sizing, listen, I did not expect it to be this big, and for that I am greatly appreciative. Oh, and then we have the plastic on the inside again to help it keep its shape. That pink, look at that pink, that, what is this, like a bubblegum pink maybe, with that soft pink on the outside. Listen, don't touch my baby. I'm ready to go on a trip right now so I can load it up. Don't touch your girl stuff. What I like about it, even on the outside too, because you know sometimes when you pack and you put stuff in your bag and you know something gets on it, this you just want to be able to wipe her down. You want to be able to wipe her down. Listen, on my bag is her, but she is really giving. She got that pink on pink. Look at that. You ain't going wrong with this. She has the netted part to keep those secure items, you know, those lipsticks that you think at the top maybe might come off. Pencils, put those here so they securely fasten in there. And then you got this open space here. So you see, you got Buy Me a Ray on the inside. You got all the G's on the outside. And listen, I am feeling this. I saw a couple people when I was watching reviews on this, when I was considering purchasing, that said that they would use this as a lunch bag. No. If anything, I would turn it into a purse, go to brunch, get a nice little chain strap put on it. Listen, walking up, I'm here. What's that? So yes, definitely, I mean, nothing wrong with the girl. Listen, anything that you convert and can do more than one thing with, I'm all for it. And Mia, you did your thing with this one. I'm happy for it. And I'm about to put my plastic right back on the inside and get it back in this duster. You hear me? Yes, indeed. You got my thing secured, my bag secured back up. You understand, stylists? So that is all for my unboxings today. So I showed you the Fenty Skin Daily Duo, and then my Glamaholic makeup brunch pouch. So that is it for this unboxing today. Again, stylists, if you like what you see and you want to see more styles, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave your girl a comment. Let me know what you're thinking, what you're trying to see. Again, on this channel, we're going to talk about lifestyle, fashion, affordable fashion, and a couple styles. Until next time, talk soon, stylists.